Hey all, this is Mr. Hammond, and in this video we're going to take a look at Clevershare. This is a tool that works very similar to Google Chromecast. It essentially is going to cast whatever is on your Chromebook to the Clevertouch board. It's just using a different tool essentially. Works almost the same way. So what you need to do initially is you're going to go to your launcher menu, which is in the bottom sort of left-hand corner. It's that little circle on the bottom left-hand corner. Click on that. Click on the arrow. That way you can see all of the apps you have available. And you're going to click on Clevershare. Now you might notice that I have Clevershare pinned to my what Google calls a shelf at the bottom, so I don't actually have to navigate to that every time. I did that by right clicking on that app and then clicking on pin, and then you can access it without actually having to go back to that menu. Notice that when I look at the shelf, it is right there. So the difference between the Google Chromecast and this Clevertouch or Clevershare is I actually need to enter a code each time I do it. So my code, which can be found on your Clevertouch board, if you need help finding that, please let me know, is 301140. As soon as I enter that, it's going to prompt me to start mirroring, which means casting. Then I would need to select whatever board I want to, or whatever screen I want to share. I'll click on my built-in display. Make sure you don't skip past this step too quickly. If you want to share audio, you need to do that at this time. So I would click on that little checkbox there. Then I would click on share. If you forget to do that, you could always exit out and go back in and make sure you select that little share system audio button. Click on share. And then now you don't notice any difference from my screen, but this is now sharing on my Clevertouch board. Now, what may happen if you have these settings in place, it may prompt you at the Clevertouch board. It's going to ask you whether you want to allow this Chromebook to share the screen. You would just have to make sure you select yes, allow this Chromebook to share the screen. This is in place just in case a student might want to share something at an inappropriate time in the class, and you can just disallow it pretty easily. And that's essentially it. If you have any questions on this or anything else that I can help with, please let me know. Thanks.